Not so long ago, the rains in southern Africa came regular as clockwork, and there was enough food for everyone, and farmers had little need to grow more than a single crop, maize. But in recent years, the rains have become erratic and no longer predictable. The droughts come more often, and new pests have arrived to eat the crops. Climate change has led to failed crops, poverty, and more human hunger. The answer was not to try to grow more and more maize with artificial fertilizers, but to show people how to improve the land and adapt to changing conditions. That meant planting trees, putting goodness back into the soil with manures, and growing a wide variety of traditionally grown fruit and vegetable crops, so that if one failed, there would always be another. That is what permaculture means. To help kick-start this revolution, Luayo Bizik, a brilliant young trained permaculturalist in Malawi, set up his Permaculture Paradise Institute, training people from all over Africa how to farm better. And just as the pandemic started, Alton Climate Action Network, ACAN, got together with the Gumbi Education Fund to start sending boys and girls from the impoverished village of Gumbi for 6-month courses at the Institute, while their schools were closed. They came back enthused and keen to show people what the land could provide, and they asked for a demonstration plot to show what could be done. So we bought them 3 acres of cheap, abandoned land that no one thought possible to farm. And now there are 12 fully trained young permaculturalists, advised by Luayo, together creating a food forest for all. In just 5 months they have worked the land, dug a well, built shelters, and planted 20 crops, including sweet potatoes, beans, sweet basil, papaya, mango, bananas, mulberries, yams, gourds, pumpkins, okra, blackjack, apples, and avocado. It is a small living paradise and a vision for the future. And soon they will start training people from other villages and selling surplus food. The priority now is to help the young farmers to develop their farm, especially by purchasing some animals for them. This is for food, but especially for animal manure. They need a mixed plant and manure compost to improve the fertility of the soil. And the vision is for the Gumbi-Alton Paradise Project to be a resource centre linked to the Permaculture Paradise Institute, training local people in permaculture techniques to help to spread the agroecology revolution now taking place in Malawi. So please contribute if you can. First, because you care for these lovely people, and because this project transforms lives with the potential to prevent endemic malnutrition in the local villages. And also because this is that rare thing, a genuine partnership between local people in Malawi and 2 small charities. There are no overheads and no intervening management. Gumbi Education Fund and Alton Climate Action Network link directly with the young farmers. And finally, please contribute because you care for the world. We all share the same atmosphere as Gumbi, and a pound spent there will achieve far more than a pound spent in Britain. To contribute, you just go to altonclimatenetwork.org.uk/donate and click the Donate to Gumbi button. We are now in the 21st century, and we can take payments by card, PayPal or CAF. Thank you very much.